Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if the Settings app on your Windows 11 PC won't open or keeps crashing. We've got two solid solutions to try, so let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is reset the Settings app using PowerShell. This fixes the issue in most cases, so let's start here. Open your Start menu. In the search box, type PowerShell. Look to the right and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Now, type the first command shown on the screen. You can also copy it directly from the description. Once you've typed or pasted it, hit Enter and wait for the command to finish running. After that's done, run the second command shown on the screen. Wait for that one to complete as well. Once both commands have finished running, go ahead and restart your PC. If resetting the app didn't do the trick, the next step is to run the SFC and DISM scans. These scans check for and repair corrupted system files that might be causing the issue. Right-click on the Start icon on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Terminal, Admin. Now paste the SFC command shown on the screen and press Enter. Wait for the scan to fully complete. Now paste the DISM commands shown on the screen one by one, and press Enter after each one. As always, all of these commands are available in the description of this video. Once all the scans have finished running, restart your PC one more time. After the restart, your Settings app should be back up and working perfectly. And that's it.